Welcome to Dollar Tree. This is brand new peel and stick wallpaper. In today's video, I have Ralph Lauren, Nantucket, Serena and Lily, high-end vibes on a Dollar Tree budget. You know I don't mess around. These two patterns are so adorable. There's this gorgeous palm leaf, which is nice and neutral. And check this out, they even have a William and Morris inspired look.
Not to be dramatic, but look at this vibe side by side. So similar. But here on Do It on a Dime, I don't just show you that it's in Dollar Tree, I show you how to use it. You just need a thrifted frame and a mat. We're gonna apply the wallpaper to the mat. I used 2 pieces, cut it down, and folded over the edges. Then in the center, I used a box cutter to create an X. Fold these triangle shapes over to the back, and you have a custom, beautiful mat. You could put anything in this, from a picture to seasonal decor. I thought this Dollar Tree flag was perfect for the season, and this look is so trending right now. Everything in this video, I want it to be things that you could use and use year round, from picture frames even to the back of bookshelves with these new patterns. Another creative place are inside drawers as drawer liners, and I've been thrifting a lot of my organizers recently. They're so elegant, affordable, and stand the test of time. I would love to know in the comments where you're using some of these fun prints and patterns. Another creative way is on tabletops. Thrift an old table, or maybe if you have a scuffed up one, these are easy to wipe down, easy to apply, and I think they look great. Ralph Lauren from Dollar Tree. Yes, ma'am.
I spent a while looking up gorgeous Nantucket vibes, and after looking at hundreds of images, I narrowed it down to a few items we can find at Dollar Tree to replicate the same look. Wicker baskets are very in. Classic colors, gold, silver, and touches of hydrangeas and a few American flags. And I've got some stuff up there I can't wait to show you. But first, this DIY. If you do nothing else from this video, I want you to try this. These giant hurricane style vases just dropped in Dollar Tree. We're going to create this very high-end looking Ralph Lauren hurricane vase display.
You're clocking that is almost $600, right? We're doing it all from Dollar Tree, and I've got tons more in this video, so stay tuned. This classic project will easily become your staple decor. You need a pedestal candlestick, hurricane vase, and a small candlestick. You may remember I made a mini version of these for my Ralph Lauren tablescape at Christmas time. This one is bigger because the vase is bigger. I love these large candlestick holders. Use a mix of hot glue and super glue for permanent hold. Flip your vase over and add this to the bottom. With everything in this video, if you're going to take the time to make the craft, this should be something that lasts all season and is classic forever. I took a smaller Dollar Tree candlestick holder and I glued it to the inside. And then I added my candle. This is genuinely the best version I've ever made. Put these anywhere in your house. Make 1, 2, 5. They're awesome.
Just dropped at Dollar Tree are these wood crates. Now, this is the cheapest spot to get them. They are cheaper than Walmart, cheaper than the hardware store. And these tiny crates perfectly fit Dollar Tree glass bottled root beer. Talk about beach vibes in Nantucket style. Check it out.
Dollar Tree has IBC root beer, which is arguably the very best. I had people stopping me in the aisles when I put this little crate together saying they couldn't believe this came from Dollar Tree and they had to do this themselves. And did you know Dollar Tree just dropped these ice cube trays? I'd love to know if you've seen these in your store. You can create perfect balled ice, which would be awesome with your root beer. Everything is so simple and I promise that good. I've got tons of food hacks you've never seen before, but first.
But one of my favorite finds are the mini flags on sticks. You get 3 for $1.50. I'm also going to link down below where to get them on Amazon. You can get a 12-pack and they are cheaper than the Dollar Tree, but these are so fun to use. Just a couple of splashes of red is all you need, and what I love even more, no skill required.
This hack is coming up.
The 4th of July items at Dollar Tree, now is the time to find them, and I want to share with you some of the really pretty, classy ones and how to update them on a budget. I really like the banners and the bunting. This is one of the best things to get from Dollar Tree this year. These are brand new and I've got a super cool hack. Check it out.
This bunting is $1.50. It is the cheapest place to buy it, but to make it not look cheap, all you need is some antiquing wax. Mix this with 5 parts water, 1 part antiquing wax, and lightly brush it over the flag and then wipe away. I did this a section at a time, and you can see how it gives it a slightly darker patina color. Here's the bright version, which is fine on its own, but I really like the antique version. This gives it that instant heirloom quality, so you can replicate things like this image. This bunting is $58, or some of those less than bright white looks. This is very, very subtle and still preserving the original look, but making it look like it comes from a quality store made to last for years and years. Putting these around the house, I put them in some floral foam, and that's going to help them stand up tall in your hydrangea arrangements. My entire home was thrifted and from the Dollar Tree. I combined these Dollar Tree items with all thrifted finds for a high-end look.
One of the ways we're going to get a luxury look is by layering ribbon in similar colors but different textures. So come here, let me show you how I do it. So I would just go through here. This red is really pretty. This is really pretty. They also have this deep blue, and we can layer all of this together and it's going to look so good. Ralph Lauren is fainting. He's loving it. He's loving it.
I use the same bases all year long for my decor. This fold-out wreath, I've shared it before. I'll link it down below. It's really affordable and a boxwood style. I took 3 spools of Dollar Tree ribbon in varying styles. I cut them down and then I zip tied them together at the top. This couldn't be simpler. I draped this over the wreath and some over the top of the wreath too that I could tuck in. And then I grabbed this Dollar Tree door banner. This unfurls in such a beautiful way. I helped secure it at the bottom with double-sided adhesive dots. I'll also link those for you. Then I can layer up my front door, add some Dollar Tree flags. I love how the door banner looks directly on the door. I recently had the privilege of spending some time in Door County, Wisconsin, enjoying all of the classic Americana, and I love how similar this looks. I kept all of these as is. I especially think that the door banner is really great for $1.50. It's super important to me that these DIYs save you a lot. Like this $119 wreath, these are trending everywhere, but you would actually try that. I love a good coffee filter craft, and you can't mess this up. Connect the 2 ends of the pool noodle together with duct tape, and then grab 3 packs of coffee filters. They're $1.25 each. I put a pen through the center, added a dab of hot glue, and glued it around the outside of the pool noodle. Now this looks really tragic right now, but just stick around, it's gonna look awesome. This is really easy to do. You just slowly work up layer by layer, adding coffee filters. And if you're wondering how long this takes, I had the luxury of filming myself, so I knew it took me exactly 1 hour and 10 minutes. Then I trimmed down the excess, and oh my gosh, I had this amazing wreath that, y'all, actually looks like the $119 original. I love the Voila ribbon from Dollar Tree, and again, we are keeping it so simple with a zip tie. I can change out this ribbon throughout the year, so no matter what your style, it's gonna look great. Literally, for less than $20, I can make a $100 wreath. Simple and fast. And now when it comes to coming inside your home and the delicious food to eat, I have some fun finds that I bet you had no idea existed at Dollar Tree. These food storage containers, hello! These patterns are so classic.
These are so cute. I was so excited to see these gorgeous coastal ice cream cones. This saves you a lot compared to the grocery store, and this is a name brand. They also have chocolate syrup, they even have cherries, and their sanding sugar is awesome. I've got a hat coming up, so don't go anywhere. You want luxury and you want easy. Come and grab some Dollar Tree Rice Krispie treats. All we need are a couple and some popsicle sticks. All you have to grab are Dollar Tree sprinkles and Dollar Tree chocolate.
If you're a last-minute person, this is the easiest trick that's giving high-end candy shop. Cut Rice Krispie treats in half and insert a popsicle stick. And then you want to melt some chocolate. Here I'm using white chocolate, but you could also use Hershey's chocolate. Then add your candy sprinkles. I really love the Dollar Tree sprinkle glitter. It is so beautiful. My kids were huge fans. Here at Doitonadime, we rigorously test everything. Owen said he gives this a 10 out of 10. Wrapping these individually, tying with Dollar Tree bows. You could put this in a little basket, take it to a party. I literally put this together in less than 10 minutes. If you thought this was cute, this next trick is even more unique. Grab Dollar Tree marshmallows. They have the mega drums this year, and these vintage ice cream cones. I also grabbed this floral holder. You can find this in the flower section, and they fit ice cream cones perfectly. We're gonna make ice cream cone s'mores. This is a totally unique find. Fill the bottom with Hershey's chocolate, and then add your marshmallows on top. Now you could take these out to roast them over the campfire. I love that these are pre-assembled and they look so cute sitting on a countertop. But another trick is to take this entire thing and stick it in the air fryer. I put it on 375 for about 5 minutes and you have a delicious s'more. S'mores in the air fryer are so good, and the extra cones fit absolutely perfectly in these super cute pinstripe containers.
Instead of getting the Dollar Tree brand graham crackers, I'm gonna get the name brand Maria biscuits. Many moons ago when I lived in Spain, I ate these all the time. This is the Guyon brand. It's awesome to make a s'more that feels a little elevated.
Hostess gifts, summer parties. You can grab Dollar Tree glass jars, or if you just don't want them to break, you can grab the plastic ones too.
Not breakable.
Don't forget the skewers. Dollar Tree brought these back and they are excellent, and you definitely save big. All of these products are name brand, from Hershey's to Jet Puffs to these wonderful biscuits. I thrifted this beautiful basket and added some of the quintessential vintage Americana decor. And then I'm gonna make a DIY s'more basket. My kids adore this. You could take this to a party, take it outside. It just feels so luxury on a budget. Whether you're doing this over a campfire or on your front porch, this is such a sweet treat. And y'all, this Maria cookie hack, I think it's my favorite of the video.
Nothing is more Nantucket to me than saltwater taffy, and Dollar Tree has a great saltwater taffy. The brand on this is Forbes. Usually I find this near the bottom of the shelf. They also have a really great Coastal Bay line. I love the pinstripes on all of these candies, so adorable. When I think coastal, Nantucket, Ralph Lauren vibes, I think beautiful gardens. I love Dollar Tree's terracotta pots, and Dollar Tree seeds are incredible. What I want you to look for is the American Seed brand. Their microgreens are great. You can put these right on a windowsill. You can't mess these up. All you have to do is water them. And not only that, Dollar Tree sells soil now, which is great. You can put this together for just a few dollars, and it's adorable.
I'm not kidding when I say our testing is rigorous. American Seed brand, we grew the microgreens at home. They are awesome. You can add this to salads, carrot salads, and I use the Dollar Tree ramekins. They come in packs of 3 underneath the terracotta pots to catch water. I put this in a little thrifted vessel. These are amazing on a windowsill, especially for growing microgreens. Did you know over half of you watching aren't subscribers? If you'd love some sunshine in your inbox, it's a free way to help out the channel and have beautiful ideas coming from me straight to you.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if nobody has told you today, you are enough. Okay, just see.